Good morning, dear children. I welcome you all to Value Education class. Today, we are going to read and understand Chapter 3 Make Good Choices. And our topics are you making the right choice? And choose to have healthy community spirit. So, let's start our class. So, name of the chapter is Make Good Choices. Make good choices. A choice has to be made between alternative courses of action in many situations. Some decisions you make aren't very important. For example, you might decide to have chocolate ice cream instead of vanilla. But other decisions may involve a choice between right and wrong. Whenever you aren't sure what's the right thing to do, stop and think. Ask yourself these questions. What does my conscience, the little voice inside my head, say about it? Could it hurt anyone, even me? Is it fair? How will I feel about myself later if I do it? How would I have felt if somebody did it to me? Have I ever been told that it's wrong? What would adults say about it? If you still can't decide, discuss it with someone you trust. So making good choices means to stop and to think what is right and what is wrong to do. Choices means making every decision carefully and wisely. Thinking responsibly. Exercising your freedom to choose and deciding what is right and doing it. So always do the right thing even when no one is looking. Are you making the right choice? Okay, so here is a short poem. Let's read it. I often have to make a choice, make a choice, make a choice. I often have to make a choice many times a day. I can get up at 8:30 or stay in bed the whole day through. I can wash my face and hands or be dirty the whole day through. I can eat my toast and jam or be hungry the whole day through. I can wear my hat and mitts or be cold the whole day through. I can play with all my friends or be alone the whole day through. I often have to make a choice many times a day. So always stop, think and analyze what is right thing and what is wrong thing to do. So always try to do the right thing. Always try to make the right choices. I make a good choice when. So how can we make good choice? I sit nicely on my chair. I listen to my teacher. I am kind to my friends. I share my toys. I raise my hand before I speak. So I make a good choice. I was unable to complete my work in class due to the following reasons. Talking, playing, not using time wisely. So did I make the right choice? No. So always try to make the right choice. Always take right decisions. Our next topic is choose to have healthy community spirit. So we should always try to preserve our community where we are living. We should respect the personal property as well as the public property. So let's learn about what is personal property and what is public property. We must take pride in belonging to the community, and as such there must be a natural desire to preserve its dignity and beauty. Respect for public property is a sign of healthy community spirit. This sense of belongingness gives the individual an identity. The act of spoiling public property shows lack of belongingness. The things which belong to us and are used only by us are called personal property. On the other hand, public property is anything that is used by all and doesn't belong to a particular person. For example, buses, rails, national parks, roads, monuments, etc. We must learn to respect the public and other people's property by not touching it without permission and using it carefully. Be the change you want to see in the world. Yes, this is said by Mahatma Gandhi, father of our nation. So one day, a group of students in Delhi visited India Gate during vacation. They were amazed to see the beauty of it. It was picnic time. Everyone was eating food and throwing the foil papers, wrappers, cold drink bottles, plastic bags, etc. in the lawn itself. Rajat didn't like this. He started picking up all the waste and threw them in the dustbin. One of the children who was throwing the wrappers asked, "Why are you picking all these things? Does anyone pay you for this job?" "No," said Rajat. "Then why are you wasting your time and energy?" he asked again. "Monuments are public property and it is our duty to take care of them. I am simply doing my duty. I don't expect any reward for this work," said Rajat. All the onlookers were surprised by the noble and selfless contribution of Rajat towards the care of public property, and they also joined happily in the effort. So this showed that Rajat respect public property. If I would have been in place of Rajat, I would have surely requested the students to use the dustbin. So always be the change you want to see in the world. First, start from yourself. So always make a good choice, always be accountable for your actions, and always take wise decisions. So here are a few ways through which you can make a good choice: by helping others, by sharing with friends, sitting in chair nicely, talking nicely, keeping your hands on the table nicely, being quiet, by using nice words, by asking for a break, by working diligently, by raising your hand, by waiting and standing in line and waiting for the turn. So these are the ways through which you can make a good choice. So life is defined by the choices you make. So always make the right ones. Make the right choices. So dear children, I hope you have understood both the topics. Now homework for you today is read and understand both the topics of chapter 3. Make good choices and also do the given worksheet neatly in your value education book, that is Dewdrops. I'll see you in the next class. Thank you and bye-bye.